If X.com is acting slow, not loading properly, or showing old content, clearing the cache can often fix the problem in just a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you how to clear cache memory on X.com, also known as Twitter, using your desktop browser. This is a quick and easy fix for Chrome and Edge users, and it can help refresh the site without affecting the rest of your browser experience. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open X.com in your web browser on your PC or Mac. For this method, you can use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Once X loads, look at the address bar at the top of your screen. On the left side of the web address, you'll see either a padlock icon or a small tune or settings icon. This icon gives you quick access to the site's permission and storage settings. Click that icon and a small menu will open. From that menu, choose Site Settings. This is where your browser stores options for that specific website, including data, permissions, and cached content. Once the Site Settings page opens, look for the Clear Data option. It should be near the Usage Statistics or Storage section for X.com. Now click Clear Data. This will remove the cache and cookies saved for X.com specifically, which can help fix login issues, loading problems, broken images, or pages that seem stuck on outdated information. The important thing here is that you are clearing data for X only, not wiping your entire browser history or data from every website. After you click Clear Data, you may notice that X refreshes or asks you to sign in again. That's completely normal. Once the data is removed, reload the page and check whether the issue has been fixed. In many cases, that's all it takes to get X working properly again. If you want to be extra safe, you can also close the browser completely and reopen it after clearing the cache. Then go back to X.com and sign in if needed. This gives the browser a completely fresh start and often helps with stubborn display or loading issues. So to recap, open X.com, click the icon next to the address bar, go to Site Settings, and then select Clear Data for the site. That's the fastest way to clear cache memory on X.com or Twitter from your desktop browser. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.